Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious looking langos burger. So stay tuned. It's time to grill. Today's video is recorded in the one and only most successful barbecue places of all time. It's the Pitmaster X studio. So we are meeting up every year, more or less, since 2013. And for today, I created something special. This is a langos burger. Langos is actually a snack from Hungary, and you first have to make a yeast dough, a basic yeast dough. So this is milk, it's yeast, it's sugar, this is flour. We need some butter, 1 egg. Of course, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. You can check it out there. And after we made this dough, this will be fried. So stay tuned, it's really spectacular. Due to the fact that we don't have any mixing machine today, this is a handcrafted dough. Pretty easy to do, just take your bare hands and mix it. So I just add more milk step by step until the complete milk yeast mixture is one with the flour. So I speed this up a little bit for you. And once you're ready with the dough, take a kitchen towel, let it rest for 1 hour or 90 minutes, something in between. In the meantime, we can prepare the other burger toppings. Such there is sour cream, some heavy cream, and some Jack and Smoke. That's the salt and pepper mixture I use regularly. And after giving this a mix, here's the final proof. It's the Pitmaster X Studio. Right now you have only seen the table. So we chopped up some chives and we're gonna put this into the sour cream mix as well. And parsley. So that's pretty easy. Just chop up some parsley and put it in there as well. Give it a mix. And then we're gonna put this back in the fridge for approximately half an hour or so. And in the meantime, we can check out how the dough is. Just wait, before we start with the dough, make sure to grill some bacon. So, some olive oil in a small cast iron pan, nothing fancy here. 2 handfuls of my favorite Garbinat bacon. And just crisp that up. So, that's the dough now. Unfortunately, I made a small mistake because I add the salt to the mixture of the milk in the bowl. This makes the dough not rise too much, but for today the result will be good, as I promise. Really good. So we take a little piece of the dough and make small pieces, like with the size of your hand, and then we fry it. Of course, that's what the Dutch can do really good. They can fry. So make sure to give this a turn. I speed it up a little bit for you, not to bother you too long with that. And this is the famous fryer with 4.5 million views on fried steak. So this is really a good result with that kind of fryer. So take it out, and in the meantime we grill the burger patty. So this is freshly ground beef with salt and pepper mix again. And then we take 1 tablespoon of paprika paste. We call this one Ajvar. You might have heard that before. This is a special spicy version. And after topping that with the Ajvar, just make sure to add some cheese here. I used cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. So in the meantime, the bun has cooled down a little bit, and we can now just open it like a regular bun. And some more steps to get that burger built. First of all, we need that mixture of cream, chives and parsley, diced bacon, some grated cheese, and we do this one with both pieces of that bun. Again, the bacon and the grated cheese, and we're gonna put that back on the grill for another 5 to 10 minutes so the grated cheese can melt a little bit. So here's the result, and now prepare for the one and only Langos burger. So much flavor, just some sour pickled tomato paprika on top, or bell pepper, whatever you call it, and here's the result. I leave you with the original footage now. So folks, we are gonna give this a shot right now. Today we are trying to get the flavor from Hungary to the Netherlands, which sounds more or less strange, but I think we did a quite good job. So I'm gonna give this a shot right now.
Hey, my floor! Yes, it is.
Wow. Yeah, that's really, really good, of course. See you!